The Chuck. Which way to the ark?
Barney, you're on the ark. Duh.
You said we're on the ark, but I don't see the ark, Chuck.
Well, how can you see it if you're standing on it, stupid?
Oh. But Chuck, what's the blue stuff all around us, Chuck?
Last time I checked, Barney, I believe they call it water.
So, Chuck, does that mean like we're standing on the water, Chuck?
Unless you're the Almighty. But no.
So, Chuck, then why is this blue stuff all around us, Chuck?
Because if we didn't have this blue stuff around us, we'd be in trouble. Now wouldn't we, Barney?
So, how are we gonna be in trouble if we're on the ark, Chuck?
Barney, is it your mission in life to give me the biggest headache in the world? Because you're succeeding badly.
Chuck, you were so silly.
Lord, give me strength as I gotta last all year on this ark with him.